Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to come on to show you the January 2026, can you believe I'm saying 2026, and Hue paper kits, bonus bundle, and color kits from Shimmerz Paints. I am fortunate enough to be on their design team, and I have these gorgeous goodies, and I cannot wait to get my paint on. So let's start with just the papery parts of these goodies to take a good look, and then we'll see what we want to create. All right, so we've got this gorgeous color palette with like the blues, the purples, maybe a little turquoise thrown in. So this is an like absolutely perfect stripe. It looks all painty. And then the flip side, oh look at guys, there are little snow people and you see this gorgeous little outline. Like it's almost like mist in the background of pine trees. Cute. Our next piece, oh, but wait. We have got a repeating kind of snowflake star pattern. And then the flip side is a super easy to use purple and white dot. Then we've got another little scene here with a little snow people and you see trees and snow drifts and a little bit of sky. Oh, and then we have a purple background with swirly snowflakes, different tone on the purple. Now we've got a purple and white stripe with a little bit of a wonky stripe. Ooh, and a very pale blue with skinny purple lined grid. Now we've got a gorgeous blue background with delicate snowflakes. Oh my goodness, and the cutest little snow people, and they're in purpley snowdrifts or clouds. Depends on how you think about it, but those are cute. I think that's my favorite so far. And now we're getting a lot more of this teal kind of vibe brought in. It kind of reminds me of the Northern Lights. Pretty. And then this looks like colored ice cubes to me. I guess when I think of frosty icy, and we do have the snow out there. This is a great vibe for it, and I like the punch of color. Now, let's see what we have here. We've got a nice row of snowflakes there, or do they go like this? I think it goes more like this, and then these snowflakes are dripping down, and it's a gorgeous bottom. Or it can go like this. It totally depends on what you're vibing. Fun. And now we have a nice white background with clusters of snowflakes. Pretty. Okay. Then next, we have snow people going every which way on this cute little splatty bitted background. It's soft and pretty. And now we've got swirly swirls with a little bit more vibrancy, but I love those sweet little snow people. And the last piece we have here, it's a gorgeous lavender kind of tone with muted snowflakes. Ooh, I love that one. See how the tones are different? So pretty. And then we have that punch of blue brought in, and it's just like a big old snowstorm happening. Pretty. Okay, and then we have our coloring sheet. And guys, I love doing these. This is what I'm going to do next, is just sit down, watch a movie, and get my color on. So that probably won't be in a video, but that's what I will be doing there. Or maybe it'll be in a video. I don't know. But I love doing this. I think it's so fun. We've got a sweater and socks. Really pretty little snowflakes. We've got some berries, our snowman, stamps, a cute little fireplace, florals, just so pretty. Ooh, I love that there's 3 of those pieces. So nice. Oh, 3 flowers. Okay, anyway, so we have that. And then, let's see, we do have some dots. And they have a nice little pop dot on the back, so you can leave it on if you like a little more dimension, or just take it off and use it for something else. So we have a snowflake, the word winter, and baby, it's cold outside. Because, you know, it is. Then I already broke my acrylic. If you guys watch my videos, you know this is what I do. But it reads Winter Memories. It's from Color Cast Designs. And it's in the perfect blue to go along with this. And then we have die cuts. We have the die cuts and we have blue snoring. Ooh, there's a FedEx truck outside. I wonder if I'm getting a treasure. Probably not. It doesn't look like it's parked close enough. Okay, let's get them all out because there are a bunch. You guys, these die cuts are so fun. Come Come. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have a nice title, Just Chillin', though we have a title there too. But, you know, I'll be doing more than one layout. So we've got a nice little heart, a floral. Maybe I'll separate out and see what we really have. Snow Much Fun, Snow Happy. Just a little bit. This kind of looks like a, like, I know it's a paint swatch, but it reminds me of a piece of washi. A little wintry scene. Snowflakes. That is a single snowflake. This one, if you wanted to, you can cut it all up though and have several. Look at how cute this little penguin. Oh, and you guys know that there's always a cut file. I don't even have it yet. I just wanted to show you these goodies right away. But there's always a fun cut file too. We have a heart and another heart. Another one of those little paint swatches. A beautiful little snowman. A purpley paint swatch, another heart. Ooh, a really nice, like violet looking flower, a stamp. More gorgeous flowers. Today is a hot chocolate kind of day. Okay. Frosty for a title. North Pole. Winter Break. Beautiful florals, just stunning. We have got snowflakes in purples and blues. Another just stunning purpley bit. Another snowman. Oh, a cute little wooden sign. Snowflake. A snow globe. How pretty. Snowflake. Let It Snow. A nice little bit here. It looks like you have washi there and you can get your sentiments written down. Some pine trees, more florals, a couple of beautiful wintry hearts, cute little snow person, a snow cluster, and this little postcard looking bit. So guys, that is so darned pretty. So next, let me show you the bonus bundle. So the bonus bundle comes with one mixed media goodie, as well as some sequins. And this time, look at, I don't know if you can see them. Do you see there's little snowflakes in there? And you know, the pieces are always perfectly curated. They're gonna add little bits. Oh, there's little tiny, I don't know if you could see them. There's these little tiny clear beads in here. So if you guys are into shaker pockets, they're really gonna rattle around in there. So pretty. And then there's a blings. So the bonus bundles is like separate from the paper kits. So this is a blings in pixie dust and it's starting to dry. I have it here and you guys, do you see the little iridescent bits? They're like greeny and blue. So pretty. Now the blings also, they come already with the liquid in it. So you just give it a little mixy and you are good to go. So this will give us that nice glowy snow vibe. But you guys, when you're painting, this is gorgeous layered on top of the other colors. Okay, and then for the color kits, this is our palette right here of the color kits. This one is still drying. So we're gonna start with a Vibes and Snowman. And guys, when you get your bottled paints, don't shake them up. Give them a nice little roll to get their colors mixed, because it's not fun to have to clean out the nozzle. I mean, you do you. I don't like cleaning the nozzle. But that's Snowman and a Vibes. My next color, it's Hint of Mint. Do you guys see that pearlescent goodie on there, or goodness? So it is gorgeous. It's Hint of Mint. Once again, just give it a nice little bit of a roll and your color will show itself. But look at, in the bottle, it's this color. A light spritz, it's much lighter. It's almost like a sea foam, but you can totally build those colors up. So power to the purple. It is a Creamies, absolutely gorgeous. So treat these just like you would your watercolor paints. I give them a nice little spritz before I start working, and then they are ready when I need them. Now I have an Inklings, and Inklings has just shimmer on shimmer on shimmer. Absolutely gorgeous, and all together, using these paints will give you like all kinds of different finishes. So it is fun to layer them and mix them and do all the things. And then finally, I have Cold Shoulder in Shimmerz. And the shimmers also come with the liquid right inside. And you give them a nice little mix, and then your paint is ready for you at all times. Now, I have, what did I get on myself? I have been known to mix them with all the different paints to get new colors. And oh, the combos are just stunning. But if you look here, all of these colors are going to mix together beautifully. I'm super curious about how I'm going to come up with different palettes for this, but I am going to jump right into that. Now, the other thing to tell you guys is when you go ahead and put in, I'm going to start moving my things to the side because I am going to jump right in and start painting. So when you guys go in to put in your order, be sure to put my name in the comments because you guys can score yourself a freebie, which is absolutely so fun to get a freebie. And oh, and it lets them know I sent you. So that's super great too. So is there anything else to tell you? I don't think so. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump right in and start creating because I want to play with all my new goodies. So guys, stay tuned. I'll have a couple videos coming up before you know it with these goodies. And guys, I'll see you ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.